What is going on, and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a video about the best free editing software for YouTube. Whether you're a startup YouTuber or you just want to make a video, I'll show you how to edit in 4K and 60 FPS. Let's get into it. Now the first thing you want to do is open your web browser, go to your search engine, and now the program we're going to be using is called DaVinci Resolve. Search DaVinci Resolve and go to Blackmagic Design. Click download, choose your operating system. Enter in your details so you can download DaVinci Resolve. Register and download. Once you installed Resolve, QuickTime and all the other stuff, open Resolve. Create a new project. Go to File, Project Settings. Under Master Project Settings, in Timeline Format, change to the desired resolution. This is the timeline frame rate, the frame rate that your video is going to be. Choose either 30 or 60 for YouTube. Set playback frame rate as the same as your timeline frame rate. Video monitoring. Choose whatever resolution with the same frame rate as your timeline. If you have less powerful computer, you can choose a lower resolution for previewing. Now go to General Options. Cache frames in DNxHR LB, and optimize media, set it to DNxHR LB, and choose automatically. On the side here is where you find your videos and files to add into your project. I'm going to add this CSGO clip. Go to Edit. Right click on all the files that added to your project. Click Generate Optimized Media. Now drag the clip into your timeline. Now you can cut the video, add in overlays on top if you have another video file or photo or anything. You can add it in on top, and then if you select it, you can zoom out so that the video plays on top in a new layer. Once you have your video edited the way you want it, then you can go to Color. You can apply different color corrections to your video. Press this to revert back to original. You can change the blur, so you can have blur effects. You can even do green screen. Look up on YouTube for tutorials on how to use a green screen. Now select Deliver. For YouTube, video format, select QuickTime and codec H.264. Compression quality, you can save some space by making it lower, but I just choose best. Data rate, you can set your data rate or set it as automatic. Keyframes, I just leave automatic. Resolution, set your desired output resolution for YouTube. I choose 4K, 60 FPS. For audio, you want to export audio, so 2 channels, audio bit depth, you can just leave it at 16. Then you want to select where you want to save your file, and then add to render queue, and then once you add it to your render queue over here, you can press start render, and it will start rendering your video and save it in the destination you want. Now for things like intros, if you don't want to have to optimize the media every time, if you pull a straight MP4, H.264 or any compressed codec into the timeline, it'll play back really choppy and you won't be able to edit. So if you want to have your intro or outro or some file that you're going to be putting inside a lot of videos and using a lot, I suggest making a file that you can play back easily in Resolve. And for that, select QuickTime, codec, go down to DNxHR LB, that's the one I found to be the best. Select your resolution and frame rate, export audio, yes, file, save it where you want, add to render queue, and then start your render. Also in Resolve, if you want to add an audio file, you have to convert it to a WAV first, and I think that's it for this video, so leave a comment below about what you want to see next, maybe give me some video ideas, and I'll see you in the next one.